search the options to do the submissions in cop to cop. However, we can search the job in the post section as we have been doing. We'll do here other options now. Like let's do for Java developer and C2C only. We'll search out the Java developer here. And previously we used to click on the post section, that is the first method. Now you will click on the jobs. In the jobs you will have the same filters. You need to take 24 hours, and on top you will just write down the skill set. It would increase the jobs. Like you can see 77 jobs are there, and here on the more filters you can select recent jobs, mid level, entry level. You can click on maximum like director level and all. You can skip or internship one, and you will go downside. Contracts we need only, and you can take as per date, like the title wise as well. If you want to have that title wise, so you can do that, and then you will click show. It's not necessary to keep the things in the inverted comma, but like you need to do the multiple keywords here. For Java developers, sometime you will remove the inverted comma, and you will try if you are getting the things accurately, so you can work accordingly. Otherwise you need to put it in the inverted commas. Now you will see this position is W2 based. We are working on C2C model, so we will ignore it. We'll search out the position which is open on C2C based. So here if you see, this is long time contract Java developer Amazon contact. Here they haven't mentioned anything like this is the C2C or full time or W2, so we can go further for this position. But again, here we don't have the details of the recruiters, so we need to have the positions where recruiter details are there. We will search those only for now. So just to not to have so many confusions, and also we'll follow only one thing. We need to have a job where recruiter details are also there. So first we'll search here like if the posting person is available or not on that job. So if you come on this Java developer with this skill set, so this person details is here, like this person has posted the job. And if you will read out Java developer with this skill set, Florida long term contract, and these are the skill sets. So something like this you can reach out if it is matching to your resume. Like it is asking for 12 plus years experience, so if you have the experienced resume, so obviously you will go for this. If it is not there, so you will move to the next job. So let's say you do have the resume, so you will go to the person recruiter's email ID. You will click on this and you will reach on his profile. Here you will see his details, so you need to find out the email ID of this person. You will click on his multiple things and you will try to find out, and somewhere if you are finding out the email ID, so then you will do the submission on that using same method we have been doing. So you can see the email ID is available in his post section only. So you will copy it, and the same process what we have been following till now. To do the submission we need to enter the resume details and all the things and all. So we will do same manner like this is the submission of previous one someone has done. Submission, you will put down the skill set and the candidate name detail, and the same method would be followed here, like the candidate submission details. After your regards signature, you will paste the job description, you will attach the resume, and into this email ID would come there only what you have copied from this one, and you will send it. In some situations, this is the whole submission process, like what we need to follow. In some situations you will not find the recruiter email ID in his profile as well, so you would do little bit more research. That's up to you how you can do. You can find out the email ID, relatable email ID of that person, and you can find out the method like the company is following. Few companies would be following first name dot last name at company.com or something like that. If you are able to find out the email ID by your methods and also you need to use that in case if you don't see the email ID of that person on the profile. So this is the second step. We need to have the daily few submissions from using this step only, and this is going to be the job section thing, not the post section thing. from the job section you will find out the multiple jobs. You need to change these keywords as well. You need to put it without inverted comma, you need to put it without with the inverted comma. You can write down in the different methods as well. You can put s, you can put junior java developer, you can put senior java developer. Few jobs would be coming up and changing here whenever you are writing something on the top. So this would be the way to do the submission from the job section. Thank you.